quickly, wibbly wobbly. The water is floating in the river. Bad words.
I'm doing some apples on the tree. Oh, that's a giant.
Okay, make a tree with lots of apples. So remember, make it like that. So you're gonna color in with the water.
And he's so crazy for blue.
He is saying he's crazy. You are crazy for pink as well. Look at your apron. How's your drawing going?
I'm almost finished my sky.
Okay, look at my drawing. My Oh, where's Hareem gone? Hareem, where are you? Oh, you were hiding.
I was getting the picture.
You were hiding. Alright, that's your picture done. Are you finished?
Yeah.
So this is your school project picture. That looking so good. I like the trees. Oh, did you make a house as well? Oh, I can see the fishes. So can you describe your picture? How is it? What's in it?
And there's like some stones gray. You can even call them pebbles.
Pebbles.
Pebbles. And they're a bit, and there's like, this is the faraway mountain over here. And this is the closer mountain.
Okay.
Even this part like turtles.
My funny giggles.
And
Alright, can you show mommy's picture? What mommy draw?
this is
Oh, I can get my childhood memories. We used to draw like this. So my sky is not very clear. It looks like it's cloudy, it's gonna rain. Like a pure Scottish kind of stuff. That it's a lot
and
here.
there's tons of trees.
Yes. I like the trees myself.
Because there's
That's-
1, 2, 3.
But I like your picture because yours is more creative. Your Hareem, do you know your picture is more creative because you created so many things in it. You presented so many things. Okay, show your picture now. And we can say, oh, that's Hareem's best one. Because it's got lots of creativity. Mom's is just a little bit.